Imagine a smart speaker that doesn't just play music. It understands your space, adapts to your preferences, and seamlessly becomes part of your listening life. This is the all-new WiiM Sound, the first smart speaker from WiiM and a bold step into a new era of connected audio. Built with high-resolution audio support up to 24-bit 192 kHz, a custom-engineered 4-inch woofer and dual tweeters, the WiiM Sound delivers a combined 100 watts of power, enough to fill your room with immersive, detailed sound. But power is only part of the story. With WiiM's AI RoomFit technology, the speaker analyzes your environment and automatically adjusts audio output, ensuring your music sounds balanced, precise, and optimized no matter where you place it. Whether you're listening in one room or creating a synchronized whole home setup, the WiiM Sound works effortlessly with other WiiM devices, bringing true multi-room audio to your home with zero friction. Inside the WiiM Home app, you'll find control over every connected device and access to top streaming platforms including Spotify Connect, Tidal Connect, Qobuz Connect, Chromecast, Alexa Cast, DLNA, and more. Your music, your way, from a single interface. And with Wi-Fi 6E, Ethernet, Bluetooth 5.3 with LE audio, and a 3.5mm input, the WiiM Sound gives you the flexibility to connect however you prefer, wirelessly or wired. Control is intuitive thanks to the 1.8-inch circular touchscreen on the front panel, offering shortcuts to playback, sound adjustments, and input selection. Plus, the included WiiM Voice Remote 2 Lite lets you interact using buttons or push-to-talk voice commands, powered by Alexa or Google Assistant. Compact, intelligent, and designed for the future of home audio, the WiiM Sound isn't just another smart speaker. It's a complete listening ecosystem, thoughtfully built for serious audio lovers and everyday listeners alike. Available now starting at 349 euros in black, with a white model coming soon. The next generation of smart audio has arrived. This is WiiM Sound.